I asked you guys to get the channel to 750 subscribers, and by God, you did it. We are there. We hit that mark. Flippin' amazing, guys. It does mean a ton to me that you guys love to come to the channel and check out what I've got going on, so thanks again for 750 subscribers. Although I did technically have to bribe you guys to get here.
I feel like I'm chosen. I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest, and today we're going to talk about some Spring-Summer 22 leaks, including what we are going to see coming down the pipeline for Week 4. And, of course, most importantly,
Junior watching, I be on my...
we hit that 750 subscriber mark, so we are going to talk giveaway today as well. I have been talking about this 750 subscriber giveaway for a good bit now, so I will let you know in this video what you need to do to get entered into this 750 subscriber giveaway and what it will entail.
Life, finds a way.
But first, let me tell you guys some of these Spring-Summer 22 leaks that I've been hearing about. First off, we should be expecting these pillows to show up at some point in time. They did already release in Japan, I believe. They had them out. They're going to be extremely expensive, somewhere in the neighborhood of $400 to $450 for the United States. These are pillows designed by Jules Panser. Whatever, it's a French name, who cares about them? And we should expect these Supreme pillows any week now. Also, late last week, I started seeing these leaked images of a Supreme Nike collaboration. This looks like Nike Supreme purple cargo pants, made out of corduroy.
Stuff that dreams are made of.
So these initial pictures don't give me a lot of faith for this particular collaboration, but they should have a black colorway. Nike items generally are a little cheaper than the Supreme stuff, so Nike tends to be a good buy whenever it does show up. And then over the weekend, I saw some images leaked of this Nike Zoom Flight 95. And it has this sort of paisley pattern. This one is a blue colorway. Again, we're going to assume that there's going to be a black colorway that would probably be the one to go after. However, these are a little bit scary as well. But much like the Nike corduroy pants, I'm just really going to need to see the other colorways in these. I'm not 100% feeling the blue colorway. And we do now have confirmation that Week 4 is going to feature pieces from the Nate Lowman collaboration. It looks like we're getting a fair amount of items out of this collaboration. We're going to get a denim vest, a work shirt, a crew neck, a hooded sweatshirt, and some fancy denim pants. Nate Lowman and Supreme go back a long ways. Nate Lowman's artwork has been featured on a bunch of Supreme items, including this box logo you see right here, even to the point where some of the stores just have his artwork up on the wall permanently as part of the Supreme vibe. I do like some of these pieces. I dare say they may have given us a bit too much Nate Lowman this time. At first glance, the only thing I can really get excited about are the jeans, but I am feeling a little tingly about those crew necks, so we'll see what I end up doing. Definitely will try to go after those pants. Obviously, it all depends on retails, but I expect a $198 retail on those jeans right out of the gate. And then craziest rumor that I've heard was that Virgil and Supreme had been in the works to do a collaboration, which means that we could potentially see a Louis Vuitton Supreme collaboration that will show up either Spring-Summer 22 towards the end or Fall-Winter 22. And if that's true, that would blow the Burberry collaboration out of the water for sure.
You know, that's just like, your opinion, man.
That Burberry collaboration is going bananas, too. Congratulations to anyone that copped anything out of that one. And if anyone out there would like to send me a Burberry polo in beige, size large, I'm not too proud to take it. It'll be the most famous Burberry polo on this channel.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So there's a whole bunch of cool stuff to look forward to, but the coolest thing to look forward to for you guys is a 750 subscriber giveaway, and I'm going to talk about that right now.
Alrighty then.
Basically what I plan to do here, guys, is set you up with a $250 Supreme care package. That's right, I'm going to try to set you guys up with a great little starter collection of Supreme items. First off, I'm going to make sure that you have a bag to carry everything in. This Supreme canvas bag from Fall-Winter 20. It's Supreme's version of a JanSport. It's a really durable, great little bag for everyday use, and I plan to fill that bag with a bunch of dumb things that you need. Like toothpaste, sandwich bags, bags. Water bottle to stay hydrated. A Swarovski crystal Zippo to keep the crackheads away. And I might throw in a hall pass or two. And again, if you win this contest, I will try to work with you. I don't want to give you something that you already have. I don't want to give you something that you definitely don't want. And at the end of the day, this is all going to be dead stock product that is going to be sent to you, so you can do whatever with it that your little heart desires.
Hey, Lord Fauntleroy, how do I get entered?
If you would just shut the hell up, I was about to tell them. What I'm going to need you guys to do to get entered into this raffle is, number one, be a subscriber to the channel. I mean, come on. And then comment down below, that's my bag. This giveaway is going to stay open for 2 weeks. So you have 2 weeks to get yourself, your friends, your family, your pets, everybody registered into this drawing. And then on this date, we will be doing a drawing. And one lucky winner will get a bunch of Supreme crap. That's right, a whole lot of it.
It's good to be the king.
So there you go, that's all you need to do. Just write, that's my bag. And if you want to check out some more amazing videos starring yours truly, you can check out these ones right here.
Junior Watson, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss?